What is love? Love is an action, right? Love is patient. Love is kind. Love does not envy. Love does not boast, right? Love keeps no record of wrongs. So love is really an action, right? So you can actually choose to want to do these things. However, if you're talking about those feelings that you have, I can definitely understand that, and I guess that's why you're asking about bringing back the spark, because you don't really have those romantic feelings. It's not all romance, right? And you don't have to feel ashamed about it, because he might not feel that feeling either, right? But he might want to still do those actions of love. So you're not always going to feel lovey-dovey. Sometimes you're not going to like him. Sometimes he ain't going to like you, right? So that's okay. But just like you said, you're asking questions so you can improve on your romance, so you can improve on your intimacy, so you can get that spark back. You're asking questions because you want to get that spark back, not because you don't love your husband anymore. Right? A spark and love are two different things. And the spark, that honeymoon stuff, it goes away. Why? Because real life has stepped in. It's responsibilities. It's not all fun and games. And people don't really know how to balance that. But you have to learn, and that's why you're asking.